Well, the CDC says it's now working closely with Chinese authorities to learn more about how the deadly coronavirus spreads. Jonathan Siri has more from Atlanta.
Health officials around the world are scrambling to contain the spread of a deadly coronavirus outbreak. Here in the U.S., there are 11 confirmed cases, and the CDC now says 2 of those patients were infected through person-to-person transmission. All travelers from China are undergoing extensive screening at designated sites across the country. And the Trump administration says those showing coronavirus symptoms will be quarantined.
It's very important that we not rule things out at this stage. And that's why we need to keep taking prudent measures to protect the American public.
The U.S. military is now setting up quarantine facilities for up to 1,000 people. And some towns and cities are canceling Lunar New Year events, the biggest holiday of the year for many Chinese Americans, creating a backlash in some communities.
There's no need to cast aspersions on an entire community because this is happening.
The CDC says it's working closely with its counterparts in Wuhan, China, the epicenter of the outbreak. But it's still expected to be at least 3 months before a trial vaccine is available. In the meantime, the State Department is advising Americans to get out of China as soon as possible, drawing heavy criticism from the Chinese government.
Taking excessive travel restriction measures may lead some countries affected by the virus to stop voluntarily reporting information out of fear of being impacted by potential restrictions.
The State Department says it will send a handful of planes in the coming days to evacuate any remaining Americans from Wuhan. In Atlanta, Jonathan Siri, Fox News.